Hello kitties, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm out with nature, as you can see, and I've been able to catch a woodpecker hard at work at gnawing that tree there. And I just love the way he looks. All of nature, you know, shots like these, moments like these are kind of priceless. Please excuse the motion in my hands. Just doing the best I can. But this guy's hard at work. You know, I had to walk around a little bit to get a good angle where I can get a clear enough shot for you guys. And this guy's taking no never mind to me at all. Of course he is up there in the tree and I'm down here. But yeah, it's pretty fantastic. Oh. Little breeze coming through there. And I hear approaching voices. I'm probably going to get this guy a little scare. Alrighty folks, beautiful shot there of this woodpecker. See if I can come around for a better shot in the next clip. Bye bye.